Hello gamers, welcome back. This is the second part of my breakdown of how to pass the Match Factory game easily. Basically how to save your dollar bills, y'all. I think they make the hard levels harder than the other two levels, that a person would think are supposed to be harder. I noticed that the items. I need to find a winner hidden a lot more in these levels, and the time seems to go by quicker, which brings me to one of the many nonsensical things this game does, which is that the timer moves quicker throughout this game, but especially with the hard levels, and they lessen the timer so much that it wouldn't be possible to complete, even if I was hyped up on a lot of coffee. which is one of the reasons why I decided to start playing smarter and not harder. I usually can pick up on the easier ways to beat a game like this, but sometimes the secret things game developers put into these apps to slow us down can be subtle, like the speed of the timer or constantly changing the amount of time each level gets, or hiding an item that is too big under something that is too small to hide it. And I believe that it isn't worth trying most of the challenges, or at least trying to complete them fully because they make it impossible to win, unless you constantly play the game from when you usually wake up until you go to sleep. The only challenges that are somewhat worth completing is the newest one to possibly win 1,000 coins and the jetpack ride challenge, because reaching the end is harder for the system to use AI to slow us down, since we know by now that the majority of the challenges are filled with mostly or only AI players, except for the team challenges. Thanks for watching. I'll share more tips in the next vids.